Today we're doing list poetry. List poetry is poetry that describes a person, place, thing, or animal. It is written in the form of a list. Let's see some list poems. This poem is about my dog Muffin. You see Muffin. Here are some words that describe Muffin. Loving, furry, adorable, playful, cuddly, a man's best friend. So this poet thought about their dog and words to describe the dog and turned it into a poem. Diamond ring, sparkly, stunning, silver, precious stone, prized possession. Now I want you to think about a topic that you could describe. Maybe it is someone in your family, or a pet, or one of your favorite toys. Write that as the title, then write words to describe your topic. After you finish, draw a picture to go with it. Then take a photo of your poem and insert it on this slide. Remember to insert a photo. Go to the top of the page, hit Insert, Image, and then the camera.